Most developers write code, but very few of them write test. And because of that, bug slips into the production. Refactoring look scary and your feature break without any warning. So today, let's start from zero and try to understand what are tests, why do we write them, and how do they make you 10 times more confident as a developer. What is testing? Well, testing is nothing but checking if your code behave the way you expect it to behave. Just like a chef tested its food before serving it to the customer, we test our code before shipping it to production. Car company test its brake before selling it to the customer. A chef test its food before serving it to the customer. This build trust. Why should we write test? Well, we write test not to impress anyone. We write test for three main reasons. First one is confidence. When your test passes, you know your code works, and when it doesn't, you know what's broken. Second is safe refactoring. Let's say tomorrow product manager says change the logic. You should be able to open your code and modify it without having any fear. Test provide you that safety net. Third is faster development over time. In the beginning, it might take a lot of time. It feels slow, but later on they save hours of your time because they catches issues instantly. Tests don't slow you, bugs do. There are three types of tests we have: unit testing, integration testing, and UI testing. Unit testing is used to test a very small unit of your code. Integration testing is used when you want to test more than two components together. We'll use integration test for that. And UI testing is used to test the UI, how user interact and what happen when user interact with your user interface. We test this kind of flow with user interface testing. Why beginner avoid testing if it is that much beneficial? So there are few reasons behind them. First one is it's very common. I don't know where to start. Well, if you don't know where to start, watch this whole playlist. This playlist is specifically designed for beginners. Tests feel complicated to me. I don't have time to write tests. I think tests are only for senior developer, not for me. So these are the very common things that beginner usually say when you ask him to write test cases. And in this series, I'm gonna solve all of these problems step by step. In the next video, we're gonna write our first ever unit test. No test driven development, no complexity, just a straightforward unit testing to remove all of the fear you have in your mind. Short, simple, engaging.